Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can activate the auto brightness on your iPhone. So basically this feature can help you to set the brightness automatically on your phone. Whenever the situation surrounds you is quite less of brightness, then the brightness of your phone could be reduced automatically. And how to activate that, you just need to open the settings. The next, you just need to scroll all the way down until you got this accessibility. In this accessibility, you just need to tap into the display and text size. Now you just need to scroll all the way down, and there could be an auto brightness right here. So make sure that this button is on. So whenever it's off, you just need to tap on it until it's on. So whenever you are in a situation that have a lot of lights, then your phone brightness could be increased. And whenever it surrounds you is less of light, the light of or the brightness of your phone could be reduced automatically. That's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this. If you still have some questions, just drop into the comment sections below and we will meet again into other tutorial.